everybody, this is Megan Nielsen, and I am going to talk about music therapy as a career. Music therapists are part of a therapy team, and they work with children, adults, or elderly, assessing a patient's mental or physical disorders and disabilities. Music therapy can be administered in groups or on an individual basis to address emotional or physical needs. Music therapists use music as a part of a patient's comprehensive therapeutic treatment plan, and they're also the ones developing a therapeutic treatment plan for patients. The work conditions and environments of a music therapist are hospitals, rehabilitation centers, retirement homes, or mental health centers. The education needed for a music therapy is a bachelor's degree or higher. Since BYU Idaho here doesn't have an actual music therapy program, instead I am doing a music cluster and continuing classes of guitar and piano to have the requirements I need for when I head into my master's. Why I chose the psychology major was because I've always wanted to help people, and I've always wanted to help people in a way through my personal musical talent. I also have always had a passion of learning about how the human brain works and how we function and behave as individuals and a race in society. In chapter 13 of our textbook, it asks some questions that made me think of why I chose psychology and related and correlated. And one of them is, what are activities that you love and enjoy most today? And I really love playing the piano and performing with my music and all of interacting with all of that. And another is, what would be your ideal work environment? I really want to work with children and teens, helping them grow and progress through music and through therapy and all of that. And the last, what do you really think should be changed in the world? I think we need a better knowledge and understanding of mental health, and just an awareness that it's also a need to take care of our mental health and that it isn't wrong. And thank you.